How to install fibre cement sheets. Lay the first sheet at the eaves end of the building, making sure that the smooth side or coloured side is facing upwards, whilst ensuring that the overlap and underlap are in the correct position. Position the top edge of the sheet 50mm from the centre of the purlin, ensuring that the sheet is square to the structure. Fix the fixings at the bottom of the sheet in the centre of each purlin through the peaks of the first and last full corrugations. There should only ever be 2 fixings per purlin per sheet, meaning that the maximum amount of fixings would be 6. Whilst this video showcases a 5-foot sheet spanning across 2 purlins, here is a diagram representing a 10-foot sheet spanning across 3 purlins. If your sheet spans across more than 3 purlins, we recommend using smaller length sheets. Depending on the location of your structure, you may need to increase the end laps and add butyl mastic ceiling strips. Please refer to our UK map to determine your specific requirements. Lay the second sheet at the head of the first sheet. Measure and mark accordingly to make sure that the fixing positions are to the purlin centres. To ensure a flush fit, mitring is required when installing fibre cement sheets. The required mitring measurements are determined by the end and side laps as shown in the diagram. Here are a few examples of mono and duo pitch roofs to provide a simple understanding of our recommended mitring plans. For a full guide on how to mitre fibre cement sheets, please refer to our mitring video by tapping on the screen here. Once the mitre has been cut, the mitred sheet can be placed onto the structure and fixed in place. We recommend the layout of the sheets are fixed as a full run on both slopes, followed by the ridge piece before starting the next run. Setting out the roof in this particular order allows all of the runs to align correctly when installing the ridge pieces, minimising the risk of misalignment causing leaks and gaps. Once you begin the next run, starting at the eaves and ending at the ridge line, ensure that you have mitred where necessary. On some ridge pieces, you will be required to mitre them as well. We have tutorials on how to mitre one-piece ridges as well as adjustable 2-piece ridges. Finally, ensure that all end and side laps are aligned perfectly and correctly fastened. Please do not hesitate to contact our technical department if you require further assistance.